Hi, today I'm in front of me ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the features, then tap to record screen and here to use touch interactions in the video. We should use the switcher, so just to turn it on or turn it off we should click on the switcher. And also yes, we have the second way how to launch the screen recording settings. First open notification panel shortcuts, then you'll see here screen recording icon, hold it for a while and by the same way we can change here the screen recording settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.